Hello everyone, this is Oscar with the ADU guys. We're here in the city of Stanton. As you can see, we have our plywood ready and we delivered today our material for our walls. We are pouring concrete. We are pouring concrete for this 800 4 square foot, 2 bedroom, 2 bath ADU. After this concrete pour, we're going to be going to Garden Grove to pour also a slab there. We're starting framing here tomorrow and also in the city of Garden Grove. But this project is in the city of Stanton. Here's our sewer line connected to our lateral connection here at the property. Here we are, guys. This is gonna be a nice 2 bedroom, 1 bath ADU. This is one of the ADU guys. This will be our entrance right here. We're gonna have a landing and a step. Over there we have our 2 bathrooms. On this side we're gonna have our kitchen, and we're gonna have the bedroom, 1 bedroom back there, and the other one on this side. And this will be the common area right here. All right, guys, I'll be doing a video later for the Garden Grove that we're pouring today. Also, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Oscar with the ADU guys. 310-984-9398. 310-984-9398. Thank you so much. Take care. This is Oscar with the ADU guys. We take our forms once we're done with the pour. It's better. Sometimes it becomes a little harder afterwards, but we prefer to take them off, and then we'll do a patchwork where needed. This is in Stanton, California. 2 bedroom, 1 bath ADU coming to life, coming to a theater near you.